Today, we've searched the whole World Wide Web to bring you the funniest war that takes place on a daily basis all over the world. Karens versus Ring doorbells. And boy, did we find some wild ones. So let's dive right in. Somehow this clip seems to show that this Karen isn't a dog person. Do you think she reacted the right way?
Hello.
Regardless of Karen not being okay with being filmed, she's still okay with trespassing and damaging somebody else's property. Make it make sense!
Here's your doorbell. Because seriously, if not, I'm gonna have to start slamming on the door. I'm not okay with that. No, you know what? I'm not okay. I'm not okay with that.
Forget being woken up by natural light or an alarm clock. These poor people are woken up by their crazy neighbor Karen, and she's caught red-handed. Here we see a lady displaying very common signs of being a Karen. It's not looking good for her, especially considering she can't even mind her own business.
Hello?
Oh, hi, sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front is broken and its water is spewing out. So you either need to tell the property owner or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water. So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Okay.
Kevin here doesn't seem to understand that he's actually committing a crime here, but I don't think that's going to stop him either. Do you? Karen's meltdown caught completely on camera almost has very bad results for this Ring doorbell. Take a look.
All over a cat.
Oh, open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside. Your orange cat. If you would open the door, I can show you.
This entitled Karen really wasn't happy with the tip she received, but you won't believe what she did next.
You can leave it, thank you. You can leave it.
No, I could speak to you, actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So I think you can come and see me face to face. Because I drove 40 minutes, and it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
I don't understand. You
Well,
did 4
I
minutes
think
from where?
from the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15, 20-minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So
But I
why did
think
you accept the pickup if you think it's that far?
they don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
You gave an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
Okay. Is she kidding? $8? That's a lot. 40 minutes it took her to get it? Okay.
Imagine if this Karen did work for the FBI. I wouldn't trust her anywhere undercover.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so
So
who are
do
you
you-
looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on a lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
are you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
You're
It
on
doesn't
video.
matter.
Well,
It doesn't
we'll see what the
matter.
police say. We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It
Well,
doesn't
what do
matter
you say?
if you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You look like you have issues.
And there's no.
Some-
Okay. Oh, some to your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay?
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business.
Handle your business, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
You got spider webs in your lawn.
You had spider webs in your crotch.
You know what? Go back to doing your drugs and squat on houses that you can't afford, lady, because you're going to be gone.
I have a feeling that when MC Hammer sang about Hammer Time, what this Kevin is doing didn't come to mind. But I could be wrong. All I know is that he shouldn't be touching that doorbell.
Birmingham, UK. Obviously, he doesn't like the Ring cameras pointing at him, so he's taking every measure to sabotage the Ring cameras. This guy just needs to move out or something. What do you think this guy's problem is? Does he just have privacy issues, or does this guy have mental issues? What do you think?
This Ring doorbell shows just how crazy this Karen is. Even when the house owner asks her to leave the property, she's not having any of it. I'd hate to know what she'd do if he was there in person.
Open up, please. Just for a sec.
Can we help you?
Yeah, you can.
What's that?
Huh? Your dad. It's that mama song. Mufasa. Hurry. It's from Mufasa 2. Who's this?
I'm the owner. You need. We need you to leave, please.
Oh no, absolutely not. I own this house.
You do not own this house.
Yes, I do. But you can have it. And a lot more.
It was on.
I'm filthy rich.
You have to leave, or we'll call the cops.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. Well, I'm gonna call him then.
Say that again, Logan.
Just stay right there. I'm gonna call the cops and have them come in.
Okay, hurry up. Oh my gosh. You better hurry up. Rashana. Huh? Hi. Who am I speaking to? Look, I'm getting ready to take off in a minute, but I'll be back here in about a few hours. We have an event tonight, right? You're marrying somebody and I'm marrying somebody.
Karen and Kevin are so entitled and they do not care that their neighbor's Ring doorbell films what they do. What they ask is absolutely crazy.
Just married and I'm in my slippers. Oh, crap. This is such a problem.
We ran out of gas, and I seen your gas truck out back. If you don't mind, we're gonna use it, but we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna bring it back. And we got your
We're
last.
only going to use half. We'll fill it back up.
We got your last beer. And I know she got the message about her family they can't stay here. But
We're just going to put a tent right out here. That way they don't bother you and anything. And then my mom doesn't get disturbed either by anybody at our house that wants to have a good time late at night. So thank you for that, though. We'll hook the tent up tomorrow night.
We'll have it hooked up.
She'll come down. You'll never know she's here, and then she'll leave in the morning.
But we'll have to use that tent. We're gonna hook power up to it too, so we'll have it all hooked up for them. But we appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. And we'll get your gas filled back up. Promise. Thank you.
Karen here doesn't believe that her neighbor deserves privacy. But what would you do if your doorbell caught your neighbor doing this? I'd go crazy. Ring doorbells truly capture all of humanity, including this Karen who tries to steal a parcel. But when she's caught red-handed by the owner, she gets second thoughts. Take a look.
No, don't do that.
Karen here truly didn't realize how fast karma can truly come around. Do you think this is deserved?
What?
Get on the ground. Not in the purse. Hands away. Hands. Oh, hands behind the back. Here, there is. Put that stick down. Turn around.
This clip proves that it doesn't matter how old you are, you can still be a Kevin. If he's starting off this young, I'd hate to think what he's gonna do when he's older.
Camera recording.
I was just joking. Hello, hi. Are y'all home? Oh man? Okay. Bye.
This Karen will do whatever she has to not be seen on her neighbor's doorbell. The only problem is, there is a rather large flaw in her plan. Can you spot it?
What?